If you're on a tight budget but still want to enjoy the benefits of a tablet and an iPad pen, there are affordable options available on the Temu website. This stylus pen has an excellent quality. One such option is a cheap but very good tablet and iPad pen. Thank you for liking the video. Please leave a comment if you think this product worth to make a video about. This stylus pen is compatible with a wide range of tablets and iPads, making it a versatile option for anyone who needs a digital pen. Its fine tip allows for precise and accurate drawing or writing, making it an ideal tool for artists, designers, and anyone who needs to take detailed notes. In addition to its accuracy, this tablet and iPad pen is also pressure sensitive, meaning that the strength of your stroke will affect the thickness of the lines you draw. This helps to create a more natural and realistic drawing experience. If you want to enjoy this cheap stylus pen, I leave a description below. You can use my code to buy it even cheaper. Despite its low price point, this pen is built to last. Its durable construction means that it can withstand regular use without breaking or losing functionality. And with its long battery life, you won't have to worry about constantly charging it, but when you have to do so, the style has a Type-C USB port. The magnet allows the stylus to be easily attached to the side of a tablet, providing a secure and accessible storage option. The pen's compact size also makes it easy to carry with you wherever you go, making it a great choice for students, professionals, or anyone who needs a portable digital writing and drawing tool. One potential downside of this cheap but very good tablet and iPad pen is that it may not have all the advanced features of more expensive pens, such as tilt sensitivity or advanced pressure levels. However, for most users, this should not be a major concern, as the pen still offers excellent functionality at an affordable price. If you want to buy this product, I leave a description below. Remember, they offer free shipping on everything regardless the price and the quantity. I always wonder how they do it. In summary, if you're looking for an affordable but high-quality tablet and iPad pen, this option is definitely worth considering. Its accuracy, pressure sensitivity, and compatibility with a wide range of devices make it an excellent tool for anyone who needs to draw, write, or take notes digitally. And with its durable construction and long battery life, it's sure to be a reliable companion for your digital writing and drawing needs.